Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Workout for Male. I am Chris, and I am delighted that you have come here to start your fitness journey. A bit about myself. I have been training and working as a personal trainer for the past 5 years. During this time, I have helped hundreds of people achieve their health and fitness goals. I was once a beginner too, and I understand the difficulties and challenges you are facing. I have experienced it all, from not knowing where to start, worrying about not having enough time, to feeling discouraged when not seeing immediate results. My channel focuses on providing effective exercises and workout programs to help you build muscle, increase strength, and lose weight. I will share with you the knowledge, experiences, and advice I have accumulated over the years. The goal of the channel is to help you, the beginners, achieve your health and fitness goals. Whether you want to build muscle, increase strength, or lose weight, I have the programs and advice suited for you. I believe that anyone can achieve their goals with the right knowledge and accurate guidance. I will be here to support and accompany you on this journey. Remember that transforming yourself is not an easy journey, but with determination and effort, you can achieve what you desire. Don't be afraid to start with small steps and be patient with yourself. Every small step brings you closer to your goal. If you enjoy this content and want to join me on this fitness journey, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. Thank you for watching my first video. Get ready and start your fitness journey today. See you in the upcoming videos. Goodbye and good luck.